you guys, so this video was super highly requested by you guys. It's how I do my nails at home, super quick and easy. Let's get right into it. I really love this way of pre-painting a bunch of nails ahead of time. It's pretty time consuming during the initial time that you do it, but it's so easy to pop them on and off. And I use putty and popsicle sticks labeled to make the process super simple. It's cost effective and it's less than $15 for everything. I'll have the links down below for the nails. But I paint so much ahead of time and then I just pop them on and off of the sticks and put the putty away and put them in little baggies to use later. So these are my nails after about a week's time through washing dishes and doing my normal stay-at-home mom activities. I just pop all of the nails off and they typically stay on for me for about a week. Sometimes a few do end up popping off and I just glue them back on. And at this point, after about a week's time, they do tend to pop off a lot easier. So it's super easy to just pop them off. So after I pop off the nails, then I just do some nail maintenance. I use alcohol pads and of course some acetone nail polish remover to take all that extra gunk and just extra glue and stuff off of my nail. Then I use my electric nail filer. I just bought this from the beauty supply store such a long time ago. Use the little cuticle pusher backer thing to push my nails back and just do some cleanup because sometimes there's no glue, like I said, or like extra nails sticking out. Just want to make it smooth and have a very clean surface for the glue to stick another nail right back on. This is the part that makes this method so easy. I just have my pre-packed nails. Just take them out, separate them into the right sizes, and then I just glue them on one by one onto my nails. So freaking easy. After I glue all 10 nails on, I do love the stiletto nails the most, but I just don't like how pointy they are. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I got things I need to do. I can't be poking people's eyes out, so I just file and make the corners and edges a little bit rounder to not poke somebody's eye out. And then bam, the process is done. So that's how I get my fake nails, y'all. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me know what other type of content you would like to see here on my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.